I am a lawyer. I'm not going to apologize for it because we sue polluters. That's what we do as a law firm. I thought this might be a receptive audience for that. So, best of times and worst of times. Let me start with the worst and close on a happier note. So, worst of times. One of the things that I and there's a couple others from my firm here, Meg is here and Maggie is here. Every day.
Put it out by your mouth.
So Meg and Maggie are here from my firm with me. We and the other lawyers that are from every day, we go after polluters who desecrate our environment, our air, our soil, and our water. Here's some things that we see every day. In fact, one of these I saw just yesterday, but I've seen it again and again and again in the 20 years I've been doing this. One of the things about a lawsuit is you get inside a corporation, you get to take the sworn statements of its executives, the ones who authorize the polluting. You get to see their documents. And one of the things that, if you saw what we see at our firm, one of the things you would see is the mindset. And that's what's so disturbing. That's one of the things that tells me this is a really bad time. Here's the mindset. At some point in the polluter's history, they ask the question, are we going to pollute? What if we pollute? What happens? Right? It demands a moral answer, and the moral answer needs to be no, there has to be a better way. That's not the answer. The answer is, if we get sued, do we have enough insurance? If we kill somebody, if what we're spewing out into the air, what we're putting in the water, almost all of them human carcinogens, if they damage someone's property or health, or we kill somebody, we deprive a child of its mother or father, is that wrong for us to do? It's only wrong for us to do if we don't have enough insurance if that family sues us. That's what we're dealing with. That's what we're up against. That's going on. By the way, I'm talking about a place 15 minutes away from here. All right? This is happening right here. And it's the same mindset that has given us these disastrous stories occurring all over the world. The climate is changing, but it's changing because these companies and the governments that are supposed to be stopping them, that are supposed to be protecting our health, our lives, and our environment, not only, folks, are not doing their jobs, they're working for the other side. The worst of it, the most naked example of it, is these guys in Washington, D.C. right now. They're not even pretending that they're protecting us. Straight out, flat out, working for the polluters. Want to dial back the clock 2-3 centuries where fossil fuel reigns. And who gives a damn if it kills people? It's the same mindset. That's what we see every day, and I don't think you need to be told that. I think you're here because you know that's going on. Now, let's talk about why it's the best of times. It's the best of times because you're here, because this is going on all over the country, because we're waking up, because we're starting to get it, because we're starting to say no. No more. We're not compromising any longer. Just because you call yourself a Democrat doesn't mean you get a free pass on this, right? You better protect the environment or you're out too. I'm tired of that, and I think you're here because you are too, right? You know you've been taken for granted by certain people in government because they think you will always be with them. I think the answer, part of the answer here, is we have to register, we have to vote, we have to demand of our politicians that they give us the results that we need, they give us clean air, clean water, no compromise. These companies who don't see the morality of what they're doing, who willingly pollute the environment, knowing it's going to kill people and just hoping they have enough insurance, there's two things they understand. They either need to pay a lot of money, or the executives who make those decisions need to go to jail. No compromise on that. There's too much at stake. Vote. If you're not voting, register to vote. Get your friends registered. Inform yourselves. Find out who these companies are. Don't buy their stuff. Don't buy their stuff. Vote with your dollars. Get your friends to stop buying their stuff. Finally, one of the best pieces of news I've heard in this entire environmental arena in a long time is this right here, the Green New Deal. The Green New Deal. And what I love about it is so essentially American. Didn't we, for those here who are like me, you have some gray on your head, you've been around a while, you remember an America that was better than it is today. You remember an America where big ideas were what we did. They were exciting. They weren't always perfect at the start, but they were aspirational. And they stoked something inside of us that says this country is a special place. Well, I'm going to be hopeful enough today to say this country can return to being a special place. This is part of it, but we need to do better. We need better leaders. We need to hold them accountable. All the people we need right here to create massive change, 200 people here maybe, that's probably twice that we need. If all of us were committed, massive change would occur as a result. Do something in your communities. Vote with your dollars. Demand justice. Demand accountability from your politicians. Support this Green New Deal. And if you like, and if you're angry enough, sue somebody.